Okay, hi guys, today I will be, excuse me, I will be showing you some real high accessories and accessory hacks. Comment down below if you have one that I don't show. You might already know some of these, so whatever. So yeah, let's get started. I should go to like Earth today. I heard about the new update and the Divinia Park update. Yeah, I like Divinia Park, but I thought the Divinia Park was gonna take place at Earth. It doesn't really have anything special. I mean, it's don't get me wrong. It's like a beautiful place. I like Earth a little bit better. Actually, yeah, I do like Earth a little bit better. I thought I would because it's like welcoming. I it's also really a park, but Earth is just nice, majestic. I mean, Divinia Park is like all green and flowery. Yeah. Anyways, so I found this hack. I'm on my other computer, which I don't have Twitter on. Well, I do, but I'm not logged onto it. I found this jellyfish hack. It actually looks pretty cool, so let's try it out. I don't have many yields, actually. I only have these that I actually use. I'm sick today, so. Make my skin color like perfect. And they want you put, I think, this one? Yeah. Oh, this is actually pretty cute. I like this. It actually looks like, what do you call it? A jellyfish. Yeah, because like the stingers and everything. Oh my god. I love this hat. What? Huh? How? I love that hat. I'm just gonna go somewhere else because I want you guys to see it really good. I know you probably could, but just in case. Okay, never mind. And I'll just go right here. Common sense. Let's see. Some of these, I wasn't in real high for Easter or the New Year's 2018. So I'm sad. I do have some Halloween accessories. I don't have very many. I have all the Christmas accessories though. Like legit. Oh, I saw this hack. Let me show you. It was like a winter hack. It was. I was here for the Valentine's update, by the way. Oh, they're up here. It was these, the earmuffs, fuzzy earmuffs, and the sock push in our ears. Oh, I like that color. Let me just swap it. Oh, I like this. I like this hack. I mean, you wouldn't really go around in public seeing this, but it's cute. It's actually really cute. Another hack I found, it's, what was it? Oh yeah, it was this, and the hair loop thing. Oh yeah, I really like this hack. This is like a god hack. I love this hack. Here, I'm gonna pull it close up. There. See, it's nice. It's actually really like aesthetic. Then there was another hack I found. Oh yes, it was the swimsuit hack / swimsuit. So you take off this, take off anything on the waist actually, any skirt. Where's that? And then let me take this off. You put, if you have the Miss Rose bodice, it makes it kind of like a jumpsuit. Let me put it different. I'm gonna mix like a jumpsuit. See? It's like a little jumpsuit. Kind of looks like a swimsuit almost. So yeah. There's one more hack. Oh, yes. This isn't really a hack. I learned how to do this. You learned how to do this in my video where I showed you how to make your bow glow. Well, yeah, I technically did. So you go to the corner right here on the left side, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to make that little color. And then you go to Infinite Color Palette. Go to first color, and near the top, at the bottom, it's just white with the shade of the color it's underneath. But yeah, I like going up here because it actually gives off color, as you can see. Oh yeah, there's one more hack. I like this hack. It's not the best hack. It was that little beanie. Pom-pom beanie. Well, what happened? Pom-pom beanie with that bow. It was this festive hair bow. I like this hack. It's not my favorite. I love it. I like it. What is wrong with my grammar today? Or whatever. I think I should stop talking, you know? So yeah, yeah, make sure to subscribe, comment down below, like this video. Did I say like this video? Yes. Comment down below what other hacks that you want me to show. I'll make a part 2 of this video, just in case. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and comment down below. Bye!